Hi guys, I'm Lilavar. Welcome back to my channel SLR Studies. I'm from Ravindrabhati Public School and today I want to discuss about the topics of chapter emerging political trends from 1977 to 2000. Starting with the history, the first emergence of the political trends. The political trends have been changed very fastly from 1977 to up to now, and many political parties have been establishing from 1977 because before that only single party was there, that was the Congress. We all know Congress was established in the year 1885. From now on, from then onwards, only the single party was the Congress, and Congress party was leading everything, and it has not allowed any party to win except the Congress. Up to then, the people have a view about the Congress, that the Congress can only that Congress is the only party which can help us and which can make our lives good. Now coming to the topic of the return of the democracy and emergency. The first emergency during the rule of the Indira Gandhi, who was the Prime Minister of our India during the 1970s. She brought a new policy of the emergency. The emergencies can be simply defined as bringing the presidential system of the government in the state governments, and decreasing the efforts of the state government and etc. In emergency, by the name of emergency, Indira Gandhi have made all the banks and all the industries of government and her own, and the emergency. This was the policy of the emergency, but the emergency was not liked by the people. It had not satisfied the people. But Indira Gandhi bought the emergency because during the rule of the Indira Gandhi, from then onwards, many political parties have been starting. The main aim of the emergency is to stop all the parties, regional parties, except the Congress. And there is also main idea behind the emergency. This was the main idea behind the emergency. She had made everyone who had against the Congress party into the jail, and she made everyone to be killed who are against the Indira Gandhi. Like this, the Indira Gandhi bought the emergency, and in 1971 the war between India and Pakistan was a beautiful and powerful war. Up to then, many wars happened between the India and Pakistan in 1940s and the 1960s, but in every war no one has won and no one has been defeated. But in this war, the 1971 war was the first war in which India has won, and this was a very powerful effect on the people to be considering always Indira Gandhi. And like this, due to the emergency, all the people have lost the hopes on the Indira Gandhi, and many regional parties have been developed by the time of the 1970s. And in the 1977, all the people thought that there would be no elections, but finally she also removed the elections one time in her presidential system ruling. And like this, in 1977 elections, first time the Congress party have been defeated, and the coalition government party have been won, which was made by the coalition of all the parties. But this party cannot consolidate itself, and within 2 years all the parties in the coalition have made there have been clashes between the parties in the coalition. Like this, the coalition parties have been destroyed within 2.5 years or 2 years. And like this, up to now we have discussed the up to the emergency, return of the democracy and emergency, and ending of the emergency from 1977 up to 1977. And the next topic we are going to. The next topic is about the N.T. Ramarao. The Telugu Desam party, TDP party, was established by the Nandamuri Tarak Ramarao. He is a great actor, and he has banned all the liquor during his ruling time. And he was a great CM. We can say that the N.T. Ramarao was a great CM in his own lifetime. And like this, the N.T. Ramarao has played a major role in moving the TDP party, Telugu Desam party. It was established in 1980. And this is about the Telugu Desam party. And the next topic we are going to discuss is about the assassination of the Indira Gandhi. Before telling that, once lived the Bhindranwale and his militants. Bhindranwale is a Sikh Brindanwala is a Sikh religion teacher, and he killed all the he was killing every Hindu who had been looked at him, and who have he was blindly killing every Hindus, and he was also threatening the government for asking a separate state of Khalistan, and Brindanwala and his militant killed almost more than 10,000 Hindus. This was a very sad news, and then the government took steps for stopping the Brindanwale, and the Brindanwale had recognized the idea, and he went to the Golden Temple, and he stayed there. When the government came, the Brindanwale, the people did not allow the government army to enter into the Golden Temple. The Golden Temple was a sacred place for the Sikhs, but on the 1980, in 1984, the government militants entered into the military people entered into the Golden Temple and killed the Brindanwale and his militants. Like this, the Brindanwale was killed. After that, many Hindus were also killing by the Hindu Sikhs, and the 2 Sikhs in the team of the Brindanwale had decided for assassination of the Indira Gandhi. On October 24th, 1984, the 2 bodyguards of her own have fired on her. Almost 33 bullets were embedded into the Indira Gandhi's body. Like this, the Indira Gandhi was assassinated on the October 24th, 1984. Thank you. This topic is over, friends. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share.